Many miracles happen during the time of Chanukah, but what is the greatest miracle? And perhaps with the answer to that, we will figure out an answer to the famous question of the Beis Yosef. Why is Hanukkah celebrated 8 days? Seemingly it should only be 7 days. Because they had enough oil for the first night. The subsequent 7 nights are miracle nights, so you should celebrate 7 nights, not 8. So what happened there? They found this container of oil should be sufficient only for 1 night, so they started arguing. What should we do? How should we divide the oil? But wait a second, if we divide the oil, it's not going to be even enough for tonight. Because it does take 8 days to produce new kosher oil. But if we do divide for the next week, we're not going to have enough for tonight. So then some say, what about the wicks? Should we use thick ones or thin ones? And they started arguing about everything. However, at the end, they compromised. And at the end, they actually lit the menorah. And that perhaps is the greatest miracle. A group of Jewish men standing and arguing, yet they compromised. They reached an agreement. And they actually lit the menorah. And that is the greatest miracle. And with that, we understand why we need an extra day to commemorate that miracle in itself, in addition to the 7 nights of the miracle of the oil. So therefore, Hanukkah should be celebrated for 8 days. And the greatest miracle is at the end of the day, they compromised, they reached an agreement, and they lit the menorah.